everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to prepare one of the quickest and easiest dessert. So if you have potlucks or you have celebrations, this is one of the best desserts that you can prepare. So let's start making it. Let's start with the ingredients. So this afternoon we're going to prepare a fruit salad. So I'm not advertising this one, but I want really to use a fruit cocktail that is from Del Monte. Unlike the other one, the big one, I don't want to use that because sometimes it's just full of papaya or pineapple. So I'm not advertising this, but I really want this kind of fruit in can. Oh, I can see something's there. Okay, so the most important thing is you drain, and then you can drain also the nata de coco together there, and then just leave it there. So while you're waiting this one that is being drained, you can already prepare the other ingredients. First, you can have the cheese. The cheese, I want putting cheese here, and I have also apples. The cheese will somehow add the taste, the salty taste. So all you have to do is to cut it into cubes. It is really easy to do, so you can just remove that one first so that you can see how I cut this properly. It's quite thick, but it's okay. Oh, that's very small knife, so I need to use a bigger one. So here you can cut it this way. You know, sometimes mother, we have a difficult time cutting it, unlike if you're a chef, you can just cut that one easily. And then cut it this way. It's quite difficult. I have to struggle here. But anyway, it's okay. Just take your time. Do the way you want to do it. It's quite big. And it's okay. It's only for your family. You don't have any visitors to come and taste it. So it's still good. It's really so sticky. There you go. It's really hard to cut. So after this, I have really a struggle, but it's okay. So you can set aside and clean here, and then you can start preparing. So you need to get a big bowl. It's better if it is a big bowl so that you can mix the fruit salad properly. So all you have to do is to put the cheese here first, and then you can already put the fruit salad, but be sure that it's drained properly. But it's okay if you don't drain it well. The syrupy taste will somehow add some more flavor to your fruit salad. So just strain it and then pour it that way. Then you can add already the condensed milk. I like putting, it's not really a lot, but a lot of condensed milk. But since this one is a dessert, it is important that it is sweet. It's not really sweet because sometimes if you over put the condensed milk, it's so sweet that somehow it will leave an aftertaste in your throat. But anyway, you can just mix the way you like it. You can just put more or less. It depends on your taste. So you just mix it. Mixed. So here you can already put the apple. So there is a simple tip for you. For your apple not to become dark, you can squeeze some lemon. Everybody knows this one already. Can just squeeze lemon to make it look fresh always. And I have here raisins. Why is it that my raisin is this way? I normally wash my raisins because sometimes we just don't know how they manufactured it. Of course, sometimes it's so clean, but the others you just don't know. So it's safer for you to wash your raisins. So you just pour it this way and then mixed. And then you can put already your all-purpose cream. I like to put a lot of all-purpose cream because this somehow will really add to the taste. And the creamy taste, I really like it. That's why I put a lot. But again, as I've told you, it's all up to you. It's still your preference if you want to put a lot or lesser. And I love seeing this way. It's so beautiful when it is submerged in cream. But I know definitely a lot of you don't like this one. That's why you see I put it in my title here. It is a creamy fruit salad. So you just mixed it, let it subside, put it in the ref for about 1 or 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, and then it will be ready to serve. So here, for me to add some more flavor, I can use, or you can use shredded cheese still to make it a little bit salty. But I don't know why it's so difficult to open this one. Normally it's so easy. But anyway, I'll just use a knife to open it. Okay, you can just add and then mix. And that's it. I'm happy I'm able to make another dessert for the kids. Definitely they will love this one. Okay. But before that, maybe it's good if I'm going to taste it. Ang sarap. Sabi ko sa inyo, lagyan nyo pa ng mas maraming cheese para mas masarap yung cheese kasi yung the salty taste will equate somehow yung sweetness niya. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.